and the stronger ice flakes can last for longer time. Here we have one machine in function. Let's check the quality of ice flakes made by our machine. Very dry. This is the stronger ice flakes. The stronger ice flakes are with more cooling power and they can last for longer time. The better quality ice flakes can make you beat your competitors. Choose my machine to make better quality ice flakes than your competitors, and then you will become the winner in the ice market. Just to check all the well frozen dry top quality ice flakes. They are obviously thicker.
Hello, this is Mike. I'm professional with ice machine. Here I'm making a video to show a 10 ton per day capacity flake ice machine. This is the machine. I sold this machine to Western Africa, and this machine will be used in Banjul, Gambia. In Western Africa, there are many ice plants, and the competition in the ice market is heated. To become the winner in the ice market, you should make better quality ice flakes. Ice flakes should be thicker and stronger. Such better quality ice flakes are with more cooling powers. We use the many additional components in this machine to increase this machine's efficiency. So this machine can make thicker and stronger ice flakes than other Chinese machines. I will put the camera here so we can focus on the machine's ice outlet to check the quality of ice flakes made by our machine.